So we're going to take a look at how to do a just listed or just sold in Canva, how to throw it together to make a post. So when you do great and you sell a home, you get a new listing, or if anything great happens and you want to brag about what you've done, which is important, let people know you're active and you're out there doing things. This is an easy way. It's very simple. You'll see where you can go and get a post, put it together. It doesn't take very long. I'm showing you right here. This is the free version of Canva. In the top right, it'll say create a design, or the top left is usually one of the two places. And then I'm going to put in Facebook. I'll just pretend I'm doing a Facebook post. And then I want to use a Facebook post. I want a square one because I just like that. You could also do landscape. You could do any of these. I'm just going to take this one, Facebook post square. And when you click, it opens up and it's ready to build the post. So the first thing you need is you need to have a background. And usually, of course, that's a picture of the home. So I went in here and I'm going to grab a home picture. This is just the CRM I'm using. I went in here, grabbed a home picture. I like this one. And you want to get a picture that kind of pops, that shows some good to get attention. So the nicest picture of the home. So as you can see in this one, this is a beautiful home, beautiful pool, great area. This is a gorgeous house. So this home pops, it gets people's attention. If they see it, they're gonna be like, wow, what a nice pool. And they're gonna pause and they're gonna check it out. So I download it, you right click, save image as, and then you see, make sure it's a JPEG, not a webhook. Make sure it's a JPEG, and then you download it. And then when I'm here in my Canva, my computer catch up, there we go. On the left, I'm going to click uploads. And then once I click uploads here, it's going to have my uploads right here ready to go. I'm going to upload a file. And then right here is the image, pull it from my downloads, and there it is. And then all I do is click on it, and then it's here. And then I want to make it image as background. So what I did is I right clicked and I set image as background. Now with this one, you can see it cuts off a little bit of the picture. So I probably don't like that as much. So I'm going to take that off and X out of this and reopen it. And I'm now going to try a Facebook post in landscape because that picture is more landscape. Now we do the same thing. Go to my uploads, click on the picture. There it is. I can already tell it's going to fit better. And there it is. Now that image is set as the background. So again, sometimes I did that, which is great that it came out different and weird if you don't do it the right background. So if it cuts off the edges and you want a square, you want a landscape, you can play with all the different ones. This just gives you the opportunity. Now, of course, you want to have your picture. You should have a headshot. You should have something about you. Here's my AI headshot. I'm going to throw my own headshot. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going quick to kind of show you how to do it. So you want something to see where they can see you. You would better to have a real headshot. I can put some of my crazy pictures in there if I want. Whatever you want to do, you can put in there. I got to fix these up because I have blinds behind me, which is kind of funny. But it's all good. Whatever you want to do for headshot. Or I can have my real headshot. Whatever you want to put. I throw my AI guy right now. Right there. When I throw it in there, now I want to put just listed, just sold, and put some wording. So back above uploads, it says text. I click on text. I'm going to add a text box. And then I'm just going to say just listed. And then you can see right now it's tiny. It's kind of boring. It's not very exciting. So right now when I do it, I can also change the combination on the left here, as you can see. So if I want to make it fancy, make it a little bit different, like this one will change it. If I wanted to do something like that, let me get rid of this one. Then I could change this. And if you click in here and you highlight one, and then you hit Control A, it'll delete that, and then you can come back because this is two different boxes, as you can see. So I'm going to ungroup. I'm going to delete one of these, and then I'm just going to come back. So I can do whatever I want. I didn't like that very much, so I'm going to try to do maybe this one. Oh, that's a Canva Pro. See, some of these are Canva Pro with a little crown. Not a big deal. I'll just grab a different one. Let's do this one. Okay, so I'm just going to go right here. Just listed. And I can do a couple exclamations. And then, of course, I don't want that to be so big. I can now drag it out, do very simple things. If I want to make it bigger, drag it out so it's right here. Just listed, it looks great at the top. If I click off it and then click so it's just highlighted, I can click on the color at the top and I can check out different colors. If I don't like that pink, I can go green, blue, black isn't bad, white's okay. White kind of stands out pretty good. So I'd probably go with black or white, whichever the rest of my wording is going to be down here. So I probably want to stick with the black because it shows up good on that back blue. So I have just listed. Now I have it. And then I want to go back to my text box and add another one. And then I'm going to say something like 1, 2, 3. Main Street. And then maybe 4 bedroom, 3 baths. And then I would put my email and phone number. And of course, if you want, you can put in the MLS number, you can put in whatever you want. All that's in there. And see, here's a big overlap right here. Now, again, I just clicked off it, clicked on, go to my time. I can change the color, which doesn't look too bad in there. We can play with different colors. We could try green. I can try white. Yeah, I'll probably stay with black. It's fine. And then I might even pull it right here. I can do whatever. You can move it around, play with your colors, find the ones you like. I don't know if I really like that one's not too bad. Red's not too bad. Black's okay. White, yeah. I'll probably leave it at black. And I want people to more pay attention to the house than to here. Now see, if I stretch it too far, my black doesn't show up. So if I put it here, I can also stretch it across. And then instead, if you wanted to do something different, you could do this. And this would be, you put a little spacer in here. And see, then you can go like this. And then I would just put another spacer. And then I can do that. Now the spacer is just the thing on your keyboard you hit. And then I can go like this, and this probably do it this way actually today. And then if there's anything down here, you just bring it off. And of course you want to make sure you spell everything right. Not like me. And there it is. And then you just hit again. Oh, I gotta click off, click on, get my colors. I can check the white there. The black's not bad. It shows up pretty good. And then it will have that. And you can see how easy it is to just move things around, check different things out, play with the colors, move the wording around. And this literally took less than 10 minutes, what we just did. Grab the picture, throw it in here, and then you can make it as fancy as you want. I can move this down. I can add other different fancy workouts. I can change one of these, to whatever I want. I can make my picture. If I want to put my broker logo in there, I'd probably move this over, leave that like that, and then I would hit uploads, and then I would grab my broker logo, shrink that down so it fits, and I'd probably put that maybe in the corner out here. Now they can see what company I'm with. Now they know my broker, and this is an EXP listing. Here's my picture. Here we go. I have it ready to go, just listed. And again, you notice I didn't try to take as much away from this beautiful pool. I tried to leave that as much in the middle as I could. And then this way I can throw this together, make it quick, easy, throw it on social media. To throw it on social media, you go over here to share, and then right here, sharing as a PNG. I'm gonna hit download, right here, PNG, and I'm going to download it. And then now I have it shared, it's ready to go. It's downloaded. You say, where do you want to put it? With all my downloads. I'm going to open Facebook because that's where we said we're going to do the Facebook post. And if we throw it in the Facebook, all I have to do is say, what's on your mind? Open it up. Throw in my Facebook post. There it is. And then I would say, check out this awesome home just listed, da 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 da, and there it is, ready to go. And I can put this in Facebook, Instagram. I can turn the pictures into a YouTube. I have another video on that. All that's ready to go, and then you're good to go. And then like it says right here, you can also have AI. They now will let you go through with AI. You can crop it, you can tag it, you can do all kinds of fun stuff. So that's an easy way to do that. Oh, I clicked off the wrong one. That's an easy way to go through and to do a just listed, just sold. And of course here I would just go this way, just sold. Once it's sold, and Canva, the good thing, if you're on your main Canva, you see it says projects. It remembers everything you've done, and I can just go back to this just listed one right here because it's open, it's not showing. I can go back to that just listed, and then once I go back, I can just change the word from just listed to just sold. And it looks very similar, very clean, and everything is good. So if you're happy with that, hopefully, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe so when the new videos come out every week, you can see what's happening. And hopefully that helps out. Talk to you guys soon. Reach out to me if you have any more questions.